Seedance 2.0 is out, and we have two different options, Seedance Fast and Seedance Regular. Same name, same tool, a totally different feel. Or is it? In this video, we're gonna be testing both. Same prompt, same input. So let's jump on Yapper and see what we can get. We're gonna be testing viral prompts that I found on Instagram, and we're gonna be using both models and see the result. For the first video, we're gonna be using this prompt. I'm gonna put it right over here so you can see it and copy it. And also we're gonna be adding a reference image of us. Already got mine over here. The reference picture I'm gonna be using is gonna be this one. So we're just gonna select it and we got it. Make sure when you add the picture, you use this specific template. I'm gonna leave the prompt right here so you can create your own picture. Or an easier way to do it is that you go to elements on Yapper and then just upload your picture. You just drop your picture over there, let it load, and once it's ready, just click on generate element sheet, let it load, and you'll have your element sheet ready to go. So we got the picture, we got the prompt, now it's time to choose the model. As you can see here, we have Seedance 2.0, 15 seconds. Let's see what we can get.
Wanna play?
Okay, very good, not bad at all. I really liked it. The only problem is that it added a female voice. Now we're gonna be adding the same assets, same prompt, and we're gonna give it to Seedance 2.fast. Wanna play? One of the main things I just noticed between these two is that Seedance 2.0, it's better at keeping consistency with the face. I do look a little bit different on this specific shot. That's one thing I noticed. Also, the cinematic movements, it's just more epic in Seedance 2.0. However, Seedance 2.fast is not that bad at all, definitely. It's still better than Clean 3.0, so now we're gonna be testing this specific prompt and see what's the result. This was Seedance 2.0, and first of all, Seedance 2.0 still doesn't have 180p resolution. So when you create a shot that the subject is far away, it's just gonna look blurry and zero detail at all. But one interesting thing here is that in this specific prompt, we're telling it that I'm flying, and he didn't pay attention to that at all, right? But let's see what Seedance 2.0 Fast can do. Well, I'm very surprised that in this specific scene, he actually added myself flying, which means that understood the prompt better than Seedance 2.0. So in a way, this one did a better job in this instance. The face still, not really me, but that was probably my fault since I was testing a new version of my AI avatar. So now the movements, I believe, are always worst in Seedance 2.fast. I think the body dynamic is always a little bit off, for example, in this instance. And for some reason, I'm surfing now, which is not on the prompt, but still good, in terms of comparison to other models. But I would say definitely on this round, Seedance 2.fast won the battle. Now we're gonna be testing the third and final scene. I think this is a really cool sequence, so if you wanna try yourself, here's the prompt. Let's start with Seedance 2.0.
Cool, isn't it?
I think the character consistency was decent, and also, one of the main issues right now is whenever the shot is far away, the face is just a mess, but hopefully we can get the 1080p version soon. Now let's see what Seedance 2.fast can do.
Cool, isn't it?
So let's analyze this one. As I mentioned before, Seedance 2.fast is not really good at keeping character consistency, as you can see here. The face doesn't look like me. And then here, he actually snapped his fingers late because the effect stopped a couple of seconds ago. So the logic there was a little bit off. And also, he didn't do any cinematic movements with the camera. So I would totally say that Seedance 2.0 won this one. So my final thoughts is that Seedance 2.0 offers improved cinematic movements, a stronger character consistency, and more natural, logical body motion. And Seedance 2.0 Fast is about 2 to 3 times faster, making it a solid option for quickly testing prompts. I used to think that Fast was better, it was like a premium model, but it turns out it's not. At a high level, this is what's going on. Seedance 2.0 provides maximum quality and deeper processing, and Seedance 2.0 Fast delivers a result that is speed optimized and lighter processing. That's it. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't about fast versus slow. When you switch to fast mode, you're not just saving time, you're trading away depth of reasoning, nuance in responses, creativity and variation. Fast is designed for quick drafts, iteration speed. You can use this specific model to test the prompt. But when should you use the actual Seedance 2.0? You should use Seedance for the final result and when you have already a good prompt. And if you want to try some of the latest models in the industry like Seedance 2.0, go ahead and check out Japper and create your account today. The link is in the description of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.